Woo! Going inside a train.
So old and scary, man. Look, this is the fuel tank.
Oh, Jesus. Ah! Oh, my God. Wow. Isn't this cool?
How does this work? It's out of coal. You used to lift this
Wow.
thing up. It used to be like, you see, it still works. It's not that old.
It's a nice place.
Mom, you want to know something? This coal shit.
And in here is where they would store the coal.
And this is trains, but at this point.
So now we're gonna head over to ride the train. Never mind, we're gonna check out some more
Oh, God.
trains.
Oh, God.
Oh,
No, that's scary.
wow. So this is like a train house. Oh my
Look
God.
at that, guys. 1 second. Whoa. Look at that.
That's cool.
That's amazing.
So far this is a great place, and there goes the train. Wow. So now we're headed off to the train, off to the train, off to the train. Wow.
This is.
Oh, that's amazing. Wow. So these are like the sleeping quarters.
No, this is not only one of these.
Wow.
This used to be the bathroom.
That's amazing. Cool. Now we're going to Santa's Workshop Emporium. Come on, guys. And there's nothing here. Proves that Santa isn't real. Now we're going in a passenger train.
Oh yeah, that's where I hit poor Jordan's head.
Oh, there goes the train.
Careful with your head, okay?
Oh, God.
Wow.
I'm so scared to go up here now.
People used to sit up there. There. Now I'm at the top.
Hold my phone.
What an amazing view.
Okay, you guys go through the other way.
Theoretically, it's some
Wow. What an amazing place. Here comes my ride.
to have a special train that runs it. That's gonna be.
So much pieces.
So we get the VIP seat.
Well, this is the birthday
Everyone-
run, so they got all the birthday people in the back, but they're not birthday.
Okay.
Scoot over me.
Did somebody
Yay!
go down?
We got to sit in the front with the conductor. Yeah. And then everyone behind there is the birthday party group.
I'm ever being.
So this was an old like train limo.
I'm not kidding.
Well, it was a car. So the car, the body here is 90 years old.
Wow.
And then they converted it to a rail car in 1936 in Ridgeway, Colorado.
Okay.
That's
So they built 7 of these. This was the last one they built in 1936. So the number 2 was built in 31,
Oh, look at that.
and the 6 was also built in 36. That's the work goose. So
Oh my God.
they had a mail contract, so that was the stipulation that they had to run scheduled trains, and that meant 6 of 7 days a week. So to run a fully steam, a steam train with a full crew, they lost money every time they hit the line with a steam train. Or hauling some of the ore concentrates
Yeah.
out.
Oh wow. This is so cool.
Sir,
Yes,
how fast did this train go?
the big one,
Yeah.
it was capable of going up 100 miles an hour.
Oh
wow.
my.
Let's go.
It's gonna walk.
Woo!
2 toots. That means I'm gonna go forward.
Oh.
It seems like it's actually on the sidewalk instead of the rail.
Oh, this is so fun.
See, back in the old days,
Yeah.
when they didn't have enough people to run a whole big passenger train, this is what they used.
Awesome.
Southwestern Colorado, near Durango.
This is amazing breeze. I like it.
Wow. This is nice.
So they built this out of an old passenger car.
Cool.
And then they added.
Little town.
Oh, that's awesome.
We'll see that after. Like cute.
Yeah. Look how big those trees are. It gets bigger.
And so that's where a lot of the old parts are back up in there.
Wow.
So sometimes when we just really need something, we have to go hunt through and see if we hopefully find the right thing.
Wow.
There's some snow back here.
There is.
today. There's a track crew. That's where we do a lot of work on
That one has gun holes in it.
Huh.
Wow, this is just absolutely amazing.
It's just as impressive as it was. Oh, good job.
Hey.
Have a piece of it.
Beautiful mountains of Colorado.
Ah,
Woo!
it's probably